Namaste everyone. Today in this class we will be learning regarding the Vairagya. Means in last class we have discussed how to practice Abhyasa. The types of Abhyasa we have gone through and the procedures like Satudirgha Kala, Nainantare and all. Long time practice non-stop and with good intention. We have gone through all these things. Now this class we will be learning regarding the Vairagya. So let us see. If you go to Vairagya, there are two types of Vairagya explained in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Paravairagya and Aparavairagya. Aparavairagya, Apara and Para. Aparavairagya is known as which is the starting level, means when you start to do Vairagya or detachment, the earliest stage is called, or the primary stage is known as Aparavairagya. If you go practicing, going on practicing, what kind of detachment you will develop in your body, mind and in the level of Chitta, that is known as Paravairagya or the superior one. Okay. So, we will discuss this one. The sutra is Drishta Anusravika Vishya Vritishnasya Vashigara Sangya Vairagyam. I think you are getting my point, what I want to talk. See, this sutra explains Apara Vairagya, not Para Vairagya, the starting stage, primary stage. Drishta, Anusravika, Vishaya, Vitrishnasya, Vasikara, Sangya and Vairagyam. Drishta means what we already have experienced in our life. Like for example, a car, bike, good flat, good wife, good money, good salary, Drishta. We have already experienced and we enjoy that things. If you want to detach from that, that is called Drishta Vairagya. Drishta Apara Vairagya, actually the word frame will be Drishta Apara Vairagya, what we already have gone through. We know if my salary is 1 lakh, 2 lakhs or 5 lakhs, I will be happy. So that is called Drishta Vairagya, Drishta attachment. If you don't want to enjoy that, if you want to go to beyond that, that is called Vairagya. Which Vairagya? Drishta Vairagya. Name, frame, money, relations, everything comes under this Vairagya. Drishta. Anusravika means what you have not seen but you heard. For example, your mother said or someone said like, if you do this yaga, you will get sarga. If you do Ashwamedha yaga or Agnihotra yaga, you will get these things. We have not gone through, not seen, but we know because we heard from our ancestors. That is called Anusravika, the heard things, not experienced things. Like in Veda says, do this yaga, you will get this benefit, that benefit. By listening that we do. That is called Anusravika. If we develop that kind of Vairagya or detachment, that is called Anusravika Apara Vairagya, not Para Vairagya. So we have gone through now these two. Apara Vairagya number 1, Apara Vairagya number 2. Drishta Apara Vairagya and Anusravika Apara Vairagya. Vishya means the topic or the objective matters. What are the objectives related to this? Here object is name, money, car, jewelry, everything is object related to this. Drishta. Anusravika object is what you heard, maybe good place, placement in the sarga. I will be very happy. There is no limitations. Anusravika. From childhood we get to know that if you go sarga, then everything is easy, enjoyment is there. We have not seen but we cannot experience, but we have heard from ancestors and different books written that kind of thoughts. So that kind of detachment is known as Anusravika Vairagya and Vishya is that kind of the achievement of sarga. Vishya. Vritishna means desireless, no desire. When you do not have any desire. For example, if I give you 1 lakh rupees, you need to work in my company, whether you will start? No, because you have Vairagya. No, I don't want to do. If I give 1 lakh, 1 crore, 5 crore per month, but I am not interested to that. That is called Vitrishna, Vigata Trishna. Vitrishna. Vigata means already gone. There is no further thirst to drink, to enjoy. That is called Vitrishna. Vitrishna in the sense of these two, Drishta and Anusravika enjoyment. Vitrishna, no interest to do all these things. Vitrishna. Vasikara Sangya. Vasikara means Basa, under control. So the under control, these two things, Drishta and Anusravika. Practical what we have seen, Drishta, Anusravika means what you heard. two things in our control. That definition is, Sangha means definition is known as Vairagyam. Here not mentioned that Apara Vairagya or Para Vairagya. Here it's in Vyasavasa Vyasa explained this is Apara Vairagya. Apara Vairagya, which is not the ultimate, the starting one, the primary stage. Vairagya is called Apara Vairagya. These are things. Now if you go little deep in this sutra itself, Tattva Kaumudi, in Tattva Kaumudi book, Vachishpati Mishra, he explained there are 4 types of Vairagya comes under Apara Vairagya. If you come here, there will be 4 types of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Apara Vairagyas are 4. One is Yatamana Vairagya. Second one is called Vyatireka. I will explain what and all. Then next one is called Ekendriya. And last one is called Vashikara Vairagya. Under Apara Vairagya there are 4. Yatamana, Vyatireka, Ekendra and Vashikara. When you start to do Vairagya, when you thought that I am going to perform Vairagya, Vairagya means detachment. That start thinking process is called Yatamana. You are trying to do that. For example, you are very interested to eat any sweets, Golgappa, anything. You try to not to eat. You are trying, I should not eat. That kind of thoughts, that stage is called Yatamana, Apara Vairagya. When you start to do Vyatireka means you already started. This level you thought, you are thinking, yes, I will do that Vairagya. This level you already started, maybe first starting day or second starting day. That is called Vyatireka. Ekendra means one pointed Vairagya. I want 90% in my MSc level. Other things I don't want. So other things is don't want is known as Ekendra, one pointed Vairagya. I don't want other things. I want only this one. This is called Ekendra. Vashikara means when you understand only one things. Beyond this level, the starting level is this one, it goes this level. Starting, then next step and Vashikara means we had explained Vashikara Sangya. When you reach this stage, that is called this Vairagya, Apara Vairagya. Okay, so let me conclude this sutra is there. This sutra is related to Apara Vairagya. There are 2 types of Vairagya, Para and Apara. We are talking now Apara Vairagya, which is the starting level. It explains starting level Vairagya can be 2 types. Under here explained Drishta and Anusravika level. Drishta means what we have experienced in our life, maybe name, car, jewelry, everything. If you detach from that, that is called Drishta, experience level. Anusravika means what we have not experienced but we heard, like Sargapada, Moksha, all these things. This comes under Anusravika. Anu means Paschat. You should remember, Anu means Paschat or following. Sravika means Sravanam. While listening what we detach, we heard that in that company giving 50,000. So we are attached with that. We are not detached. If we detach that kind of things, we have not seen, but by listening we can tell, that company is not good. You should not join in that company. That is called Anusravika Vairagya, not experience but from heard. If we experience, if we listen from that kind of Vairagya is called Anusravika. Vishya means topic. So topic related to either this or either this, Drishta or Anusravika. If we get any kind of Vairagya, that state what happen? Vitrishna will come. Vitrishna means there is no interest to enjoy that things, desireless, Vitrishna. Vashikara means if it is under control, Vasha, if it is under control, Vashikara, that definition is known as Apara Vairagyam. Thank you.